Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about low content books versus no content books and the difference between the two. So let's start off with low content books, right? So low content books typically encompass things like food journals, children's books, books with quotes, etc. So minimal text, but some mostly illustrations, right? Generally speaking, right? So that's for low content books. With no content books, you're looking at books with a book with a cover and a bunch of blank pages, basically, right? So you're looking at books like journals, diaries, etc. And more often than low content books, publishers with no content books tend to play this volumes game. It's not something I would recommend. They just pump out a whole bunch of no content books, like hundreds of versions, right? They just get a different cover version made, and then they just pump out a bunch of no content books, and they hope to make sales, right? That's not something I would recommend doing. You want to really take the time to invest into a high quality book, create a brand, maybe a premium cover design, niche down, figure out a niche that works for the no content book, and then hit publish, right? Because you never want to play the volumes game. You always want to choose margins over volume. Now, with both these books in particular, I personally teach in Passive Income Publishing Academy. I teach my students to leverage these books at certain holiday seasons, right? So just be aware of certain holiday seasons such as Christmas, etc., maybe Easter, and so forth. And within these holiday seasons, you want to maybe cater your book towards them, hint, hint. And it's during those seasons, actually, these books actually pick up, right? Because these books, for the most part, have a generally speaking, have a short shelf life. They tend to pick up dramatically during certain holiday seasons of the year. Again, like I just mentioned earlier in this video. And again, I tell my students to supplement their income with these types of books during the holiday seasons, right? Because you'll notice that there's a spike in sales for these types of books, for both no content and low content books. So I personally have low content books. I don't have any blank books with no content in it per se, but I do have some successful low content books myself that I do publish, that I have published. And yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. It was short and sweet and to the point. I just wanted to let you guys, my viewers, know the difference between no content and low content books and how you should approach it, and my experiences with them as well, and how to strategically leverage them and use them to find success with Kindle self-publishing. So that's gonna be all for this video. Again, if you're interested to join Passive Income Publishing Academy, the best nonfiction course in the market where students are finding immense success in, I highly suggest you check it out. Link in the description. The best nonfiction course in the market. Well, you will learn everything, the full 9 yards. Buy the all-in-one, all-inclusive package. Why buy multiple courses, right? Why buy a copywriting course? Why buy an audio course? Why buy a marketing course? Buy the all-in-one inclusive package, Passive Income Publishing Academy, the best nonfiction course on the market. So I'm looking forward to see you inside the course and see you inside the private Facebook group. That's going to be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.